In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your image to show on kit.com emails. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a clean, professional-looking image into your email template so it shows up reliably for your audience. Have your image file ready on your computer and let's walk through it together. Start by heading to your Kit dashboard. From there, look for the Send section. This is the hub for everything you'll send to your subscribers, and it's where your email building tools live. Inside Send, open Email Templates. Templates let you create a reusable design so you don't have to rebuild your layout every time you want to send a message. Create a new email template. You'll be prompted to choose a base design to customize. Pick the one that best fits your content style, whether that's a simple single column layout or something with a header and multiple sections. Don't worry, you can adjust copy and colors later. The key right now is getting your image in the right spot. Once the editor opens, click directly in the part of the template where you want your image to appear. That might be a header area, a body section, or a featured block. This tells the editor exactly where to insert your content so it slots in cleanly and keeps your layout intact. Next, select the plus icon that appears in that section. This is where you add different types of content blocks. Choose Image. You'll see an image placeholder appear, which confirms you're adding the right element. Now click. Choose an image to upload. Select your file from your computer. For best results, use a crisp JPEG or PNG and keep the file size optimized so your email loads quickly. If you're placing a banner or hero image, landscape orientation generally looks best. Try to keep the dimensions consistent with your template's width so Kit doesn't have to resize too aggressively. After the upload finishes, your image will display right in the editor where you placed it. Take a moment to confirm it looks balanced with your text and spacing. Small tweaks like choosing a lighter image for text-heavy sections can improve readability. When you're happy with how it looks, click Create a Broadcast. This takes your customized template and moves you into a sendable message, keeping your image exactly where you added it. That's it. You've added an image to your Kit email in a way that's clean, consistent, and ready to send. If you found this helpful, repeat the same flow for future templates to keep your brand visuals consistent across every email.